guys, I'm Soumi and I live in India. Today I'm going to explain to you how to take measurement using a Vernier caliper and its principle. Taking measurements using a Vernier caliper. Before we start, you need to know a Vernier caliper allows us to take measurements correctly up to 2 decimal places. Now, to measure the length of an object with a Vernier caliper, first you need to note down the main scale reading. In this picture, it is approximately 1.2 cm. And to figure out what our second decimal number is, you need the Vernier scale reading. How to do that? Note the division on the Vernier scale which coincides with the main scale reading, with the main scale division. In this case, it is the 6th division on the Vernier scale. That is your second decimal number. So our second decimal number is 6. Hence, the length of the object being measured is 1.26 cm. But one might ask why. Why does the value of the Vernier scale reading take the place of the second decimal number? Why is 6 in the hundredths place? That is what I'm going to explain in this video. That is where I'm going to help you out. Principle of the Vernier caliper. This is how I like to think about it. Imagine a wall. I've drawn a wall right here, this grey color bar here. And there are 2 kangaroos sitting by the wall, a mother kangaroo and a baby kangaroo. Each time the mother kangaroo jumps, she covers a distance of 5 meters. And each time the baby kangaroo jumps, it covers a distance of 4 meters. So after 3 jumps each, the mother kangaroo will have covered a distance of 15 meters and the baby would have covered a distance of 12 meters. So the distance between the two of them after both of them have jumped thrice is equal to 15 minus 12 meters, which is equal to 3 meters. And that is the principle of the Vernier caliper. Don't see how? Here's how. Before we start, look at this picture. This is a reading of an object being measured. So what's the reading? The main scale reading is 10 cm and the Vernier scale reading is 2, which means that the length of the object that was being measured is 10.02 cm. Now let's prove it. Think of the coinciding division as the wall and think of one step of the mother kangaroo as one division on the main scale, which means each time the mother kangaroo jumps, she's going to cover a distance of 1 millimeter. Same way, think of one division on the Vernier scale as one step of the baby kangaroo, which means each time the baby kangaroo jumps, it's going to cover a distance of 0.9 millimeter. Here both of them have jumped twice. So the distance traveled by the mother after jumping twice is equal to 2 into 1 millimeter, which is equal to 2 millimeter, and the distance traveled by the baby kangaroo in 2 jumps is equal to 2 into 0.9 millimeter, which is equal to 1.8 millimeter. And the distance between the both of them after 2 jumps is equal to 2 mm minus 1.8 mm, which is equal to 0.2 mm. So what is the reading of the scale? The reading of the scale is equal to the main scale reading plus the distance between the 10 cm mark on the main scale and the 0 mark on the Vernier scale, which is equal to the main scale reading plus the distance between the mother and the baby kangaroo, which is equal to 10.02 cm. And there you go, we've proved it. So let's do another one. Recall seeing this one before? You're right, we did this one at the beginning. We already figured out that the length of the object being measured here is 1.26 cm. Now let's do it our way and prove it. This case is a little different though. In this case, the baby has jumped further than the mother has. The baby has jumped 6 times while the mother has jumped only 5 times. Therefore, the baby is ahead of the mother. So the distance traveled by the baby is equal to 6 divisions on the Vernier scale, which is equal to 6 into 0.9 millimeter, which is equal to 5.4 millimeter. And the distance traveled by the mother kangaroo is equal to 5 divisions on the main scale, which is equal to 5 into 1 millimeter, which is equal to 5 millimeter. So the difference between the mother and the baby kangaroo is equal to 5.4 millimeter minus 5 millimeter, which is equal to 0.4 millimeter, which is equal to 0.04 centimeter. So what is the length of the object here? The length of the object is equal to the main scale reading plus the distance between the 1.2 centimeter mark on the main scale and the arrow mark on the Vernier scale, which is equal to the main scale reading plus the distance between the 1.2 centimeter and the 1.3 centimeter mark on the main scale minus the distance between the mother and the baby kangaroo. I've done the math here for you. After doing all the math, you get 1.26 centimeter. And we've done it again. Here's another one for you. Try doing this one yourself. It's pretty easy. I'll wait. I'm still waiting for you to finish it. And the answer is 3.24 centimeter. If that's what you got, congratulations. Good job. You have grasped this concept beautifully. And if that's not the answer you got, don't worry, try again, you'll get it. And if you've not understood it properly, try watching the video again, ponder over it, give it some thought. You'll be sure to figure it out at the end.